Okay, so good day everyone. We have here the third example for the fundamentals of algorithm, which is making the flowchart. Okay, so example, that is example 1 in your lecture module. So find the 3 consecutive integers whose sum is 37. Okay, so we're going to find for the 3 consecutive integers whose sum is 378. Okay, so take note that computer can't do or can't process this problem unless we input or program the flowchart using C++ or Java. Okay, so computer cannot do the process unless you input the program for this specific problem. Okay, so take note, all computers can't do or can't process any problems unless we humans input a flowchart or an algorithm or program in its system. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so 3 consecutive integers whose sum is 378. Okay, so then we will first solve for the value of first integer. Okay, so we have to solve first for the value of the first integer, the second integer, and the third integer, and then we make a decision with whether they are whether the sum is 378. Okay, so let A is equals to x, B is equals to x plus 1, and C is equals to x plus 2. Okay, take note that integers, consecutive integers, okay, consecutive integers, the property is numbers, sequence of numbers, consecutive integers. These are the sequence of numbers with common difference, and the common difference which is equals to D, or difference is equals to 1. Consecutive integers or consecutive numbers. Okay, so sequence of numbers with common difference, and the difference is 1. Say for example of consecutive integers is 1, 2, 3. Example 1, 2, 3, and 3. Okay, or 21, 22, and 23. That's consecutive integers. Okay, so then we write A is x and B is x plus 1 based from these numbers. Okay, so if A is 21, then B is 21 plus 1, which is equals to 22, and C is 21 plus 2, which is equals to 23. So we write this equation: A equals to x, B is equals to x plus 1, and C is equals to x plus 2. Okay, so if x is 21, then x plus 1 is 22, and then x plus 2 is 23. Okay, then the equation is, of course, the sum. We have the sum. Okay, so recall your algebra in your senior high school. So we have the equation 378 is equals to A plus B plus C. But A is equals to x and B is equals to x plus 1, and C is x plus 2. So 378 is equals to x plus 1 plus x plus 2. So we have 1, 2, 3. So 3x and 1, 2. So we have 378 is equals to 3x plus 3. Okay, then transpose 3 to the left member of the equation. So we subtract 3 or minus 3 on both sides. So we have 378 minus 3 is equals to 3x. And then we have 378 minus 3 is 375 is equals to 3x. And then we have A is equals to x, divide both sides by 3. So we have 375 divided by 3. Okay? So that's our formula. Now that's our formula. The next, let's draw our flowchart diagram. Okay, so start, we draw the oval as starting point. So I draw the oval and then write the start. The next, the arrow. Okay, then next is the input. Okay, so we input 378. Okay, so we input 378. Then next, after you input your 378, write the formula. Okay, so this is the rectangle for the process. A is equals to 378 minus 3 over 3. That is your formula. Okay, so process. And then, of course, the output, okay, you have there the arrow. Then another output is your parallelogram. So we have the output here, which is A. So print A. And then next, we have another arrow. We have another process for the rectangle. We are going to solve for the value of B. Since we already solved the value of X, the value of A, then we are going to solve for the value of B. So therefore, B is equals to A plus 1. Okay, print, and then after print, go to another process. A will go to this process. Okay, so therefore we have B is equals to A plus 1, since we have already the value of A. So A plus 1, then the output will be B. Okay, so we have another output, your parallelogram. Okay, so parallelogram, that is your output. So of course the output is B. So print B and go to your decision, your diamond shape. For A, print and go to your diamond shape. The next, B, print B, then another arrow, and then another process, which is the rectangle. So we have the formula, or we are going to solve for the value of C. So C therefore is in terms of B, we are going to solve C in terms of B. So B plus 1 is equals to C. Okay, then we print the output. Okay, so this is the output, another parallelogram, and then print C, and then go to your diamond for the decision. Now the decision or the question, which is answerable by yes or no, is A plus B plus C is equals to 378. Okay, since A is already in the diamond, B is already in the diamond, C is already in the diamond, then question is A plus B plus C is 378. That's the question. So if yes, then go to another output, which is your parallelogram, and print A, B, C, and go to stop. If the system collapse, okay, say for example, the system collapse, that the answer is no, the computer decide that is no, then go back to the second step.